Yeah, good evening to Gagan Sai. Yeah, today is a 7th class mathematics. Yeah, Telangana State Book and Expert Book Part 1 and SP1 and SP2. Today we will learn the SP1 and SP2. Yeah, today is a new chapter, that is the 4th chapter, lines and angles. Today we will learn it only. Yeah, today in a previous class already measuring of the lines and angles and basic geometry ideas is also over. Let us review. Today we will learn let us review of the once again all our geometry, basic geometry ideas and lines and what's the angles, and again you can review. Today we class in the review class. Okay. Yeah, first of all is the lines and angles. What is the line? Line is formed when a line segment extends endlessly in both directions. Endlessly, here it is the endlessly. Okay, extends the endlessly. That is that you can see better. Look at that, but there is no blackboard. So, today is no light only, so that's why I can only today I take in an hour explaining on the notebook only. Say look at that notebook Gagan Sai neatly. See, observing neatly Gagan Sai. Line segments extends endlessly in both directions. In both directions endlessly. It is denoted by the, this is the arrow. OP. OP is the line. And EF is also one line. See here figure in our figure Gagan Sai neatly, figure 1. In our notebook SP1 and SP2 neatly, page number is the 54 in our SP. Expert book 1 54 and Telangana book is also 71. Okay. Yeah, this is the AB. AB is the one line and EF is also one line. Okay. This is the arrow marks is I can denoted by, it is the line is denoted by the arrow mark. Okay. Yeah, next one. What is that point? What is the point? Point is that exact position on a plane surface. Exact position means is that just like is this like dot here. It is the dot. Exact position is called as the point. Next is the collinear points. Collinear points means is that 3 or more points are lies on the same line. 3 or more points. 3 or more points. 1 point, 2 point, 3 point, 4 points. 3 or more points lies on the same line. This is the collinear points. Okay. Collinear points. Line. Here it is the line. Line is denoted by that. This is the arrow symbol. Here it is the arrow symbol of line. It is denoted by here it is. And AB is the AB line. And one more is the EF line. First we are discussing all are that SB 192. Okay, Gagan Sai neatly. Point. What is the point? Point here it is that any point you can do it for examples of O. Here it is the point of O. Okay, understood Gagan Sai neatly. Point is the exact position. Exact position or location on a plane surface is called as the point. That is that is denoted by this one only. Line is also over. And next is the collinear points. Collinear points means is the 3 or more points on the lies on the same line. That is the B, P, O, A. These all are the points. All are the more than 2. All are the points lies on the B, P, O, A. These all are the collinear points. Okay, you can understand all are the lines on the only single line, same line only. And next is the what's our next one? Intersecting lines. What are the intersecting lines? The lines are meeting at exactly one point. In figure 1, AB is intersecting with the CD. AB. AB is intersecting with the CD. Okay, Gagan Sai EF also and CD also. Okay, intersecting lines. AB. AB is the the lines meet at the exactly one point. Here it is also, and EF also, and CD is also. AB is the intersecting with the CD and EF, and AB is intersects CD. Okay na? At which points? O point. Here it is that EF is the P point. Okay, intersecting with it, meet at one point only. And next one is the line segment. What is the line segment? Line segment is formed a set of points which is bounded by two end points. In a figure 1, OP is the line segments. OP, this is the line segments. Okay, it is bounded by two end points. Two end points. This is the symbol here. It is that just like this one only. It is denoted by this one. What is the OP? OP is from figure 1. OP is the line segment. This one only. And the two end points. Okay, it is bounded by two end points, so that is the OP. And what is the ray? Ray is a part of line. Ray is the, just like here it is OC ray. OC ray. That is that one is that starting point. Another one is the extents of endless of the endless only. Okay, Gagan say neatly. Starting point and endless extends endlessly in other directions. Other direction, that is called as the ray. Ray is, it is denoted by this like only. This is the starting point, and here it is that extends endlessly in other direction. That is the ray. Ray is the, what are the rays here? It is OC rays and OD rays also there. OD rays and OC rays, any can write, and AB rays also. Okay, these are is the rays. You can understand, you can say non-collinear points. Non-collinear points into three or more points that do not on the same line. You all are the same line is the collinear points, but there is a do not or two or more points that do not lie on the same line. That is the non-collinear points. What are the collinear points? E, B, D also, and C also. Okay, C, E, D and B also. Okay, these are the, but they are not here it is. Yeah, next is the parallel lines. You can understand this is the line segments. Okay na? Ray and non, either these are is the collinear points, and these are is that non-collinear points. Okay na?
Okay.
Ray is also this one only, and a point is also here. These are is the points. Okay, and next to the parallel lines. Parallel lines means is the CD. CD is parallel to the EF. Okay, CD is parallel to EF. Okay, that's these all is that in our previous class basic geometry ideas only. For some once again review, it's over. And next is the, what is the angles? Angles topic. What is the angles? Angles is some, what is that lines, points, rays, lines, angles in this one. What's the angles? Two rays starting at a common point. Two rays starting it, two rays, here it is the two rays starting. Okay na? Starting a common point and extending in a different directions. Extending in a different directions is formed as a angle. Here it is the angle. Okay, Gagan, I need to understood. Two rays starting point. This is the starting point, and two rays it's a common point and vertex. This is the vertex. Common point means is the vertex, and extending in a different directions. Extending in a different directions is called as the palm. Its palm is the angle. This is the angle only. Okay, meet at a on common point and extending the extending a two directions only. That is the meted point is the vertex point is called as it form a angle. This is the angle. And next is the what's the angles and concept time 1, and what's the angles and different types of the angles below. Acute angle, obtuse angle, and right angle, straight angle, reflex angle also there. And what is the first one is the acute angle. What's a review of all of the angles? Acute angles, and angles between 0 and 90 degrees. This is the 0 and 90 degrees, and this is the acute angles. Okay, the angle measuring between the 0 and 90 degrees. and next is the right angle, an angle measuring the 90 degrees. 90 degrees means is the this like only. Okay, that is the 90 degrees. And obtuse angle. Obtuse angle means is the angle measuring between the 90 and 180 degrees, the obtuse angle. Next is the straight angle. Straight and an angle measuring the 180 degrees. 180 degrees is the, that is the 180 degrees. This like is the 180 degrees. That is the straight angle. And the reflex angle. What is the reflex angle? An angle measuring between the 180 degrees and 360 degrees. 180 degrees and 360 degrees. This like. Okay, Gagan say? You can understood of this. All are the angles. Once again repeated. 2 rays here, it is the definition, correct definitions is also read down here in that notebook. You can say 2 rays starting at a common point, vertex and extending in a different directions form an angle. Okay, notes also given here, it is today, notes plus that one also. And next is the related angles. What is the related angles? Pairs of angles that are related to each others with the respect to a conditions are called as the related angles. Okay, Gagan, so neatly understood. Pairs of angles that are related to each other. Conditions is called some types of related angles. What are the complementary angles and supplementary angles? You are see in our textbook neatly, Gagan, so your is also there in our textbook. Complementary angles. Complementary angles means that 2 angles are said to be that. What is the sum of the angles are plus. Here it is also after later in Telangana state book is also there in supplementary angles, complementary angles, and here the sum of the 2 angles is are equal to the 90 degrees only. Okay, na? They are said to be this the complementary angles. If they add up that A plus B equal to the 90 degrees. The sum of the 2 angles equal to the 90 degrees, that is the complementary angle. So here it is that 2, here it is that, Gagan say, see 2 angles here, it is A angle and here it is the B angle. That is equal to the 90 degrees. So both our angles must be there. 90 degrees means is the acute angles. You can understand neatly. Next is the second one is the supplementary angles. 2 angles are said to be the supplementary angles. If that A and plus is the sum of the 2 angles is equal to the 180 degrees. Okay, add up of 180 degrees and are said to be the supplementary angles. If is this is the one angle and here it is also one angle. One is that here it is the A angle A plus angle B equal to the 180 degrees. That is the supplementary degree. Supplementary angles. If A is acute, then B must be obtuse only. One is the acute angle, one is the obtuse angle. Both obtuse, if it's not is a supplementary angles. Why? Because above is the 180 above more out. So that's why it is not a supplementary angles. Below 180, if it's both are 180, if it's a supplementary angle. One is the acute angle, one is the supplementary angle. And here both A and B can be right angle. Right angle, if it's 90 plus 90 degrees is the right angle means is the 90 degrees. 90 degrees plus 90 degrees is the 180 degrees. That and both right angles is also supplementary angles. But in other cases, but it is not the supplementary. Both in obtuse angles, but it is not supplementary angles. Here it is also both the angles, acute angles, 45 degrees, 45 degrees, or is 90 degrees. That is also complementary angles. But in other cases, if it's not there enough complementary angles. Next one is the, see in our, this is also the Gagansa, your laid book is also there, and I write it here, say angle A plus B equal to 90 degrees. You can be how to write it the B, 90 degrees minus of A. Okay, 90 degrees minus of A plus B equal to 90 degrees. So the B you can write down here, it is the 90 minus of angle of A. And here it is the complement of B, how to write it, A equal to 90 minus of B. And here it is our supplementary is also angle A plus angle B equal to 180. And here it is that B, write it, how to write it the B, 180 minus of angle A. And A equal to 180 minus angle B. Okay. this is that some are you can idea of this one.